I feel nauseous,
Dear viewers of the Emil
Never
Ekov
had a
YouTube
lot of
channel.
come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up.
Welcome
just so
to this
they could
informative
see me.
article on how to
Did what I
monetize your
had to
YouTube
do
account.
just to feed me.
If
And
you're
what
looking
was
to
left
turn your
over, I
passion for
put
creating
towards my
videos into a
dreaming.
source of income,
But the only
you're
thing
in the
life
right
that has
place.
meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands
Monetizing your
and plan
YouTube
own
account
hands
allows
can
you to
land
earn
your
money
own
from your
brand
videos
and
through
down.
various
I feel
methods.
like no one takes
Here's a
accountability.
step-by-step
They want the
guide to help you get
credibility,
started.
convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour.
1.
Take a cold
Meet the
shower.
requirements.
Scream until you're
Before you can
louder.
monetize
Look
your
until you're
YouTube
prouder.
account,
And
you
all
need
the
to meet
doubters,
certain
they're just
eligibility
young
criteria.
downers.
You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months.
Off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
2. Set up an AdSense account. To receive payments from YouTube, you'll need an AdSense account. If you don't have one already, sign up for AdSense and connect it with your YouTube channel. 3. Enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Once you meet the requirements and have an AdSense account, go to YouTube's Creator Studio, navigate to the Monetization tab, and enable monetization for your videos. 4. Set ad formats and placements. You can choose which ad formats and placements you want to use in your videos. Experiment with different options to find what works best for your content and audience.
So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing.
5. Consistently create quality content to attract advertisers. It's important to create high-quality and engaging videos regularly. Focus on improving your video production skills, storytelling abilities, and audience interaction. 6. Promote your videos. Increase your views and engagement by promoting your videos through social media, email newsletters, collaborations with other YouTubers, and optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags. 7. Build a loyal audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and encouraging subscriptions. A loyal and active audience is attractive to advertisers and can increase your earning potential. 8. Explore other revenue streams. Apart from ads, consider exploring alternative revenue streams such as brand partnerships, sponsored content, merchandise sales, fan funding, and crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Remember, building a successful and profitable YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistency. It's important to stay patient and continue creating content that resonates with your audience. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights on how to monetize your YouTube account on the Emil Ekov YouTube channel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us.
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
Happy creating and monetizing. Emil Ekov.
It takes to get some power. Don't be